Hi guys, it's me again, sadly. Today is raining, it's 5:30 p.m. I should be studying because tomorrow I got a test, a math test, but I wanted to tear down this this e-box. It's an e-box. It's an Intel Atom thin client. I like it honestly. So I just want to tear it down and just talk about life. So here's the antenna. Oh, whoop. Yeah, first of all, we should remove the hard drive. It's two screws here on the side. Oh wait, I have the I have the wrong bait. It's a flathead. Let me switch to a 3.0 Phillips head. This should do the job. Or is it too fake? Oh, okay, it's perfect. Oh, okay. But actually, it might be just a little bit too fake. Actually, let me just switch to something a little bit, a little bit smaller, because it didn't feel so nice. Okay, yeah, this is way better. Yeah. I don't remember what I have installed here, but I think it should be um, Debian 12, the 32-bit version on this Toshiba HDD. Let's put this one over here. Then there are two more screws near the Kensington lock. You just need to unscrew them. One and two. Okay. Then we have to pry it open. So let me use a little squeegee. It should be this side. If I no, actually, it should be this one, this other side. I don't remember which side it is, but like one of these pieces should come off. I'm just not remembering which. The one with the EeePC, like the sticker side one. That I can. Okay. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay. Yeah, it's this side, the one with no stickers. As you can see. So here we have. This is for the Wi-Fi antenna, and this is for RAM. I'm not going to unscrew this because we don't need to. We'll open that later. But there are 4 screws in each corner, like these big screws. So we're just going to unscrew them real quick. It's raining outside, but rain. I don't know if you do. It's nice. Oh, this screw doesn't wanna come off. We'll check on them later. But I was saying, yeah, I like when it rains. Honestly, it makes me feel more at ease. Okay, let me try a bigger tip, maybe, because these are big screws. Yeah, they don't wanna come off. Like, it's kind of annoying because also it's the front panel, so we need. I mean, they actually wait. They might just be stuck. Yeah, I think they're just stuck. Like, oh, or they don't wanna come off. Why? Oh, okay. yeah, they were just stuck to the plastic piece. Okay. Oh, where did, okay, is one, here's the other one. Okay. Um, this is the sided frame. It has like the grills, the vent, and one on each side, and yeah, the button. Okay. Now there are clips for this, like for this piece here. There are clips. I'm going to use this too. Oh, but like this is a nice screwdriver set that a friend of mine gifted to me for Christmas, and I gotta really say thanks to him because probably is the one of the best gifts someone ever made, because I always used crap like the crappy screwdrivers that are made for like woodworking, like not actually precision bits like this. Like, look, it's a really nice set. I have like all kind of torques and stuff, and it's just cool. So yeah, I'm thankful to have a friend like that. Okay, so we have more on the sides, so we'll just take them off. We should to just open the top of the EeePC. Three and four. I mean, this is not the first time I've disassembled this, because I mean I changed thermal paste already and cleaned it once. But I always forget like the sequence of, oh, there's other two screws here, like the sequence for opening it. It was a gift from a friend of mine that works for, like, he programs stuff for payments, bosses. I don't know their name, but yeah, he is a programmer technically, yeah. Um, and yeah, he just has a lot of e-waste and stuff that we both like. We love this stuff, but it occupies space, and because he has way more than me, sometimes he just gives to me the one that he needs to throw away because he doesn't have much space left. Okay. So this piece, wait, is it connected to something? Oh yeah, yeah. There are two more screws. Wait, oops, I forgot them. I'm forgetting way too much stuff. I don't like this. Okay, so one and two. I mean, that's actually like 8, but you know, it's too late. So this shield, and this is where you can change your CMOS battery. If you can see, this one is still good. So also you can see like the fan cut out. So now to take the other side off, we have, I think, only two. Yeah, only 1, 2, 4 screws. Yeah, 4 screws. 2 are here. I'm just gonna take them off, and then we have other 2 on this side, like internally on the motherboard, like this. And we should be able to just pop this shield off. Yeah, it's a little bit of wiggling, it's just a matter of fact of wiggling around. And okay, this is the other RF shielding, and this is the main board, the PC. As you can see, this is our like Wi-Fi card, and there is an additional SATA slot for like a second hard drive. Wait, let me just, there, you see, this is another hard drive. You can just you can just put it in here, like like this. So you have one here, and the other one. Where is it? Oh no, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, yeah, I'm retarded. Yeah, this is not an extra one because I'll pull it fit. Yeah, I'm just stupid. I'm sorry. I remember like there were two, but no, there's one. Like this is the main HDDs. You see, like it goes in here. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'm done. Here's a RAM. Right now it has 2 gigs of DDR2, 600 something megahertz. Chinese. I mean, I don't know what brand is Hynix, but it's a brand, nonetheless. Yeah, here you take your heat sink off, you clean it, boom boom boom, bam bam, and yeah, this is the EPC, the e-box, and we're just going to back like it was 10 minutes ago. So we need to uh, put it back. Okay, yes, again. So this is these slots in like this, and so it's just the reverse process. So lately I've been really wanting to buy like an old, like those full towers cases that mostly are fitted for like servers, like those Windows 95 era computer cases with like five and a quarter inches DVD slots and like 2.5 for floppy disk, and because they look really cool, and um, I like old tech, like especially aesthetically. Like my case, I mean it's not old, it's from like 2010, but it's actually looks pretty modern to say the least. Because it's from, I mean it's not all old because it's from the LAN party era. It is like the description of it's a Corsair case. Description says like you can use this to be the best at your LAN parties, to rule them all. And I gotta say, it's just really cool, but I also like, I just love it. It's white. Maybe I'll show it to you guys later when we're, because why not? Oh, yeah, it was the wrong side. Okay. Now everything it fits. One screw in here. I don't even know if you're seeing it, but you should be seeing it. One screw here, you down there. Two more screws here. Are this the same? This should be the same, yes. So screw in here. Oh, oops, I'm sorry. No, that wasn't really nice of a sound. And then another screw here. Oop. If you see me touching the mouse, it's because I have a screensaver every 60 seconds, but I wanna look at my wallpaper. I mean, I'll show it to you later, also. Oh, it's okay. Now it's snapped in place. I'll show it to you later because I made it myself and I'm proud of it. Where I got lost. Oh yeah, I'm done. Yeah. Ouch! I almost cut myself. Yeah, 4 more screws here. You gotta be careful when you disassemble stuff that should not be disassembled, because like a modern gaming PC, you know, like the cases I mean, not the pre-built one, but if you build yourself, it's supposed to, like, they know that you're, of course, you're gonna put your hand inside, but if you buy um, an old like Think Center or like Dell, like those office computers, they're going to not like, they're probably gonna have sharp edges and armor fine pieces because they don't expect you to go inside and do stuff with them. So just remember that you should be careful because you can hurt yourself, and it happened to me a lot of times with old tech. So just be careful, please, and don't hurt yourself because it's not cool. Uh, I hate this fitting. Oh, oh wait, it's the opposite. Yeah, I'm done. That's why it wasn't quite working. Okay. Yeah, now it's way better. It just slides in like this. Okay, button clicks. Everything looks fine. Yeah. Okay. We can screw this down. With those 4 big screws that got stuck earlier. Yeah, I'm gonna change the bit again for the same reason. I'm gonna put on a more beefy one. Oh, it doesn't want to screw. Okay, that's interesting. I may have screwed this on and off too many times. I mean, wait, here it's screwing, okay. Good, that's good. In here it's screwing in too. Or no. Yeah, no, it's, I mean, it doesn't wanna screw there, okay. Maybe I'm missing something, but no. It's just... Oh yes, I am missing something. I'm dumb. Again. Let me just... Please don't get loose. Get loose. Like the threaded insert here on the black plate. So we have to put this one first. So just like this. No, wait. Just like this. Now we can screw it back. Okay. But remember, mistakes are to be made because thankfully we are still humans and we are not machines. And I don't know you guys, but I don't really like AI and that kind of stuff that much. It makes me paranoid more than I already am. So I don't know. I prefer like people, like human, doing their jobs and not AI replacing them, because it looks scary. Like, it's good to have AI, but to a certain degree. Like, you can't just look like not advanced in technology, but it's getting a bit out of scale, you know. I don't know, I'm just kind of worried sometimes. That's just how it goes. Okay, popping this back. Only a few screws left. So these 2 screws here, or Oh no, wait, wrong screws. These are for the air drive. These two black screws. One goes here, one goes here. They just hold the other plate, but externally. And then we can finally slide the disc back inside, like this, and screw these two final screws back inside. Sadly, this thin client isn't complete. It's missing like a stand that should screw here and like make it stand like this, and also the front cover, because like this should not be but it other than that it's good. Here, let me just put the antenna back in, and look, it's back like when we started this video. I hope this helped you guys in some way or another. If it didn't, I'm sorry, and if it did, please leave a like. It will be nice. Makes me happy when someone likes the stuff I do. So yeah. Oh wait, before I forgot, let me show you. Let me show you my, like, this is my PC case, as I told you earlier. It's not old, but it's neither also not new. And this is my desktop. Like, this is my wallpaper. I made it myself. I'm really proud of it. Yeah, this is the EeePC, the screwdriver set. I hope you guys like this video. So I'll just catch you another time.